Le Garage. That's what I'm calling it right now. Didn't get a better name. But for this episode, we're going to be doing look how I got these awesome harnesses I need to install. When I got it, did not have any. So the way he had it set up before was to run off these tab systems. Not the best system. I personally think it works, but it's not the best. I prefer a bolt-in style system. This works way better, more reliable. So I gotta cut this to match that side, which I already done, to clear them harnesses. They're just sitting back right now. That's what I gotta do. So that's what we'll do, is we'll cut this, get the harnesses in, clean the floor, ash and metal shavings right now, and then we'll paint it with some undercoat. Look cleaner. These are the Simpson race harnesses. These are massive, 3-inch wide shoulder straps, lap belts, and then the 2-inch center belt. Latch style release, because the dirt and the sand and everything this truck's gonna be going in. Have to run a latch system. You can't run a button or a chem lock system. Have to run a latch system. Shoulders come through the back, and the laps go down there. Start working on that, and we'll have you guys watch it. Okay. I have you guys somewhat mounted. There's not very good, not many good mounting points for you in here yet. So I already removed the seats. I forgot to record that. I should have. I forgot up until I went to cut this, and I thought, oh, I better record that. So the seats are already out, like you saw. I'll show you guys putting them back in. I already stepped on the passenger side and messed up my paint, so I gotta repaint that again. So I'm gonna grab a saw. It's gonna get very loud in here very quickly. So I'm gonna grab the saw and start cutting that once I measure it out. Okay. So I cut this other side to 12-inch width. I need to do the same this side. I got a harness here. I'm going to use it to check my width, because it can't come in contact with any of these sides and cut it. So I need to measure that out once I get it cut to the width. But for now, it's a straight edge. I'm telling you, it's my secret. Especially you, Michael. I'll be watching this first. I'm running for your love. This strap right here. Over, so a good 1/2 inch, 3/4 of an inch on that side. A little less on that side, but it's trapped between the bracings, so it'll be alright. Okay. clean this up. I don't know why you're temperamental in listening to me, but I'm going to show you how to wrap these. These are a strap design, so it has to loop back into itself in order to hold. Now there's a right way to do this, and I'm sure a wrong way. So, but I'm going to do it this way. Around the bar, back over the bar, through the latch. Through that other one. Come on. Cinched, dang you. And you're good to go. That is not going anywhere. Fully relying on the harness. No hardware except brakes. You got more problems to worry about than the harness. Make sure you put your tab directional if you're using these style, because I forgot on the last one, had to take it apart like 4 times. Just keep that in mind. Now we gotta clean everything up.
Pull me closer in slow motion, feel her energy, a roller coaster of emotion, up and down with me. You are the calm, you are the wild, I'm addicted to the feeling. You are the storm, you are the light.
This is what I'm using to coat it. We're still using bed liner. Or undercoating, sorry, bed liner. Stuff looks pretty good. It'll look good when it's done. Alright. Let's do this. This stuff is like a rubber spray. Keeps things from rusting, looks cleaner, especially with a broken cab like this and there's not any interior. Besides the seats and the little dash panels, this stuff makes it look a lot better. Perfect, because it is just an open floor. But now I just gotta cut the plastic thing. It looks like that side. And this little project will be done for now. That was pretty much it for this. This is just wire loom like that. And it's squished on there. Nothing super special. And then the little light, these are Parker pumpers. They use Senior flexible hose to pump air to it. Flexible hose right now is currently filthy. Getting all that ash out of it worked great. But thank you guys. Stay tuned for the next one. Boy.
This has been NickzAndMikz. If you enjoyed, please press that subscribe button.